Yeah, there is a reasonable upfront cost, and we really wanted to be sure that it was the right decision, that it was going to be worth the investment, because it is an investment. So far, we're really happy, and it seems to be paying off, and hopefully over that longer term it will really pay dividends for us. We looked at a few options, a few companies. Ultimately, being local really made a difference for us, and I thought, if something did ever go wrong, we've got that really close support that they can be here pretty quickly. And they were competitive. They were ultimately as competitive as some of the other companies we looked at as well. So I wasn't paying a premium to go with them. They were on par with some of the other companies as well. Yeah, they've been really easy to deal with, quite relaxed, explain the process really well. Just an easy company to deal with, and if you have a question, they're very happy to answer that. Nothing's a problem. So, in terms of their customer service, it was very high and very good. Yeah, very happy to recommend Lenergy. Their service from when they first came out to explaining and quoting for us through to their installation was very good. Clear communication. Their prices were on par with the other companies, and they're a local company. So I've got no hesitation in recommending them and as a suitable and a really good company to deal with. Yeah, no, it was just a good experience. Went really well. It was smooth. I think that they're busy. They're a busy company, obviously, so we have to wait a little bit of time. So don't sit and wait. Once you're ready to go, lock in the date as soon as you can, because you might be waiting for a while. But yeah, you can start having really cheap energy.